Are you looking for the best car vacuums for pet hair? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Corded Vacuum. The BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Corded Handheld Vacuum easily takes the prize as the best overall car vacuum for pet hair. This vacuum is specifically designed to tackle pet hair, and it comes with 2 nozzles. One is a rubber nozzle with small teeth designed to lift and remove both hair and dirt. The other is a suction nozzle that is perfect for vacuuming up dog food that's been dropped in the car. It's also super lightweight and compact, meaning it's easy to get into all the awkward areas of your car, like the footwells and under the seats. The bagless dust cup is easy to empty, and you won't need to worry about ever having to buy replacement bags. The 16-foot power cord means you won't need to recharge this vacuum, although you might find that you need an extension cable. At number 2. ThisWorx Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. As the best car vacuum for pet hair for the money, we recommend the ThisWorx Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. Coming with a whole host of specialized accessories, you'll get your car upholstery sparkling clean and free from pet hair in no time with this beast. We love that while this vacuum is corded, it's powered by the 12-volt outlet in your car. So, there's no need for extension cables, or to be near a power outlet at home. The only reason that this missed out on our top spot is that the nozzles and brushes aren't quite as effective at picking up pet hair as our best overall choice. The cyclonic force and strong suction of the 106W motor will terminate any dirt or debris. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach crumbs stuck under the driver's seat. Our mini car vacuum even has a top-of-the-line washable filter. Is the battery always dying when you need a car vac? These truck accessories for men and women use the 12V AUX outlet for power. The 16-foot cord gives you the slack you need to clean the back seats or trunk without a snag. At number 3. BLACK+DECKER HHVK515JP07 Handheld Vacuum. As a premium choice, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum for pets is an excellent option. This cordless handheld vacuum has specialized rubber bristles that effectively lift pet hair from carpets and upholstery in your car. When you need extra power, simply press the power boost button for up for 4 times more suction. The extra large dustbin means it's easier than ever to clean your whole car in one go, and it is also easy to empty, thanks to the one-touch easy empty feature. The washable filter is great if you suffer from allergies. The efficient battery on this rechargeable vacuum gives up to 145% longer runtime compared to other models. Eliminate dirt that's out of reach, but not out of sight. Extend your reach with our longest built-in crevice tool. The versatile 20V Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus cordless pet hand vacuum cleans hard-to-reach areas with less effort. For X more powerful suction and power boost with the touch of a button to tackle any mess. Anti-tangle rubber bristles powered to lift stubborn pet hair. The XL 750ml dustbin, up to 145% more runtime and a battery indicator to keep you moving. Keep your hands clean with the one-touch easy empty dustbin. Go the extra length with the 20V Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus cordless pet hand vacuum. At number 4. BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. The BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum makes quick work of removing embedded pet hair from your car's upholstery. It includes a whole range of tools and accessories designed specifically to help lift and remove pet hair. It also includes a triple filtration system to maintain amazing cleaning performance for longer. The powerful 14-volt, lithium-ion battery offers an extended runtime, while the large dirt bin means you can keep cleaning for longer. This vacuum is also simple to empty. The handle is easy and comfortable to hold, and it's easy to switch out the tools when you need to clean harder-to-reach areas. BISSELL will donate $5 for each pet hair eraser Li-ion purchase, upon activation. Remove more embedded dirt and pet hair with a motorized brush tool and lithium-ion battery. 14V lithium-ion battery for lithium-powered cleaning, dirt cup capacity, 0.7 liters. Large, easy to empty dirt bin to help get rid of pet hair easily. Triple level filtration to help improve cleaning performance. At number 5. EUREKA NEH 100 RapidClean Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The EUREKA NEH 100 RapidClean Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is a budget option that will do a good job lifting hair from short-haired breeds, but it's not powerful enough to lift ingrained dirt and will easily get clogged with the hair from long-haired pets. The suction isn't the best either, so you may find yourself needing to run over certain areas multiple times. This vacuum only runs for 20 minutes before it needs to be recharged, which can be irritating if you're partway through cleaning your car and then need to wait for this to charge up again before you can continue. It is good value for money though, if you're looking for a budget option. Dust cup capacity 0.5 liters. Long-lasting time, the rechargeable battery provides up to 20 minutes of cleaning with one single charge. Powerful handheld vacuum. This cordless vacuum is designed to work on all types of surfaces. The cyclonic filtration system removes dust efficiently. Handheld vacuum with accessories. The lightweight vacuum cleaner with a rubber cap and a crevice tool help you clean hard-to-reach places.